Hello everybody, my name is Eileen Andrus and I'm at the DeClaire LaMancha Orthopedic Institute in Rochester Hills. On April 11, 2018, I had arthroscopic hip replacement surgery and it was Dr. Frisch who did the surgery. I did not want this surgery. I never had any major surgeries in my life and I was afraid and I thought I could manage the pain. Well, the pain managed me. It got so bad where I had to come in. And I had talked to a couple other doctors who scared the heck out of me. Well, I was afraid anyway, but you know, it was supposed to be 3 days in a hospital and then they come to your house and then they got to check on you and I says, oh my God, this is getting bigger than I want it to be. And then in Our magazine, I heard about this institute and the words that stuck out to me was minimally invasive. I said, we got to check this out. So I called them up. They took my insurance, which I was really glad about, and I had the surgery done on the 11th. The surgery was done in the afternoon of the 11th of April. 24 hours later, I was home. I was walking with a walker. I was in some pain, had some swelling, tenderness. I'm now in rehab. I go twice a week, but it's been a month since the surgery. I had x-rays done today. Dr. Frisch talked to me, and I said to him, if there's anything I can do to let people know how great the experience was when I thought it was going to be terrible, please let me do it. So I can walk without help right now. The leg is pretty much healed. The x-ray looks good. I pivot, I bend. The pain is pretty much gone. There's some swelling left, but I was in such pain prior to the surgery that I would walk maybe 2 blocks, not even two houses down from where I live, and I thought, oh my God, please, somebody's got to get me. I don't know how I'm going to make it home. The anesthesiologist was great. He told me I wouldn't remember anything. I didn't remember anything. The hospital experience was good. They fed me well, but to be in and out, I wish every doctor did this. This is the way to go. I had the anterior from the front incision. It's healing well. I don't care what it looks like, but it doesn't look bad. My incision is about 4.5 inches long, and usually the typical hip replacement surgery is 10 to 12 inches. So nobody asked me to do this. I offered to do this. Come to this clinic. See Dr. Frisch if you need hip replacement surgery. And I don't know how your experience is going to be, but I bet you he's got a lot of them going like this, just like I'm 70 years old. Am I saying it anymore? Well, I do. But the hip is like a 48-year-old hip. So I applaud you, Dr. Frisch, and this clinic. Thank you, God, for leading me this way, and God bless you for what you have done for me. The end.